Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Y'all, your girl is here, okay? Y'all, in the car because she's dedicated. Y'all, I'm on the go, okay? I'm waiting on my carry-out food, but I'm gonna try this drink for y'all as promised because this is what you all voted for, okay? Let's see about it, y'all. All right, let me smell it. Oh, wait. Y'all, let me tell y'all what I'm hoping that this tastes like. I'm hoping that this tastes like Shirley Temple because I love me a good Shirley Temple when I go out to eat, y'all. So I hope that this reminds me of Shirley Temple. It smells very strong, like in cherry. Y'all got people driving around, y'all. You gotta be paying attention to your surroundings, okay? Cheers, y'all. I'm so sorry. Okay. Excuse me. Y'all, it tastes just like a Shirley Temple. Only thing I need is more cherry. Like, I need like that grenadine, you know. Just a little bit more, but this tastes just like a Shirley Temple, y'all. I love it. Oh, this is really good. And it's strong. Woo! Ooh. Yes. Y'all, I would definitely buy this again, okay? When I say delicious, y'all. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm getting off of here, okay? But this is really good, all right? Y'all should try it if you never tried it. And if you have tried it, let your girl know how you liked it, okay? Because I actually enjoyed it. Because your girl loves her a good Shirley Temple, okay? Yes, because I be doing bloopers too at the end. But this is really good. All right, y'all. Woo-wee! All right. I think that's it. Until the next time. Bye, y'all.